As judging is concerned, we have to, yung correcting namin kailangan dun sa level nila, dun sa language na maiintindihan nila, dun sa emotions na kaya nilang i-digest.
Idol Kids Philippines. Excited na kami. So, yung first question ko po ay para kay Miss Reg and kay Angeline. Ayan. Paano nyo ginamit sa pagiging judge yung pagiging ina nyo sa totoong buhay?
Ina mo rin?
Uy!
Sorry, Reg.
Yung pagiging
Nagtatanong lang.
Miss Reg, nagtatanong lang si Kuya Bon.
Sorry.
Ate Reg, Idol Kids.
Nagulat lang ako. Sorry.
Ayun, Miss Reg, paano nagamit yung mother's instinct, yung mother's love, yung mother's compassion sa pagiging murado?
Ako muna.
Go, Miss Reg.
You know, doing the audition, I realized that, kasi lahat tayo ganito, kasi I've also experienced this. Hindi nakikinig pala talaga yung mga bata. Hindi pala talaga sila nakikinig. Oo, kaya pala yung nanay natin, yung ang kulit-kulit, yung alam mo na, sinabi mo na yan sa akin eh, pag naaalala mo pero hindi tayo nakikinig. So, it's kind of hard to, being a mom, it's hard to balance being a judge and trying to correct them and also try to be sensitive kasi hindi mo naman anak yun eh. Kasi kung anak ko yun, hello, makinig ka sa akin, eh hindi ko yun anak. So, you need to kind of balance it. And then, like I said earlier, it's because hindi sila nakikinig. Not because they want to hurt you or anything, it's just that their span of attention is so short. It's so short, but they absorb. So when they hear an information, they don't know what to do with that information. So I feel like they just absorb it and put it somewhere in their brain. Until sabihin mo ulit, then they'll, sinabi mo na yan! But the brain would say, I still don't know how to deal with it.
Right.
So you'll keep it there until such time when they're a little bit grown up, that, I know, ito na pala yun. Then that's how they learn.
That's nice.
Okay, so yun yung kailangan namin i-balance. Although, like I said, like ngayon ko lang yan na-realize eh, so parang may natututunan din ako.
Saka remember, itong mga edad nilang to, transformative years nila yan.
At saka ito talaga yung age na hindi talaga sila nakikinig.
Can I say something?
Go ahead,
Kasi Reg, actually, nung bata ako, nakikinig talaga ako. Hindi ko lang sinusundan yung mga sinasabi na.
Yun, ganun
But
yan.
that's parang ganon.
Parang ganon. You absorb the information, but kasi a child's brain is actually like a sponge. So they just keep absorbing information, but they still don't know what to do with it.
It's just there.
It's just there. But they know it's there. You said that. But I still don't know what to do with that information. So, mahirap.
Ang game now, paano ka naging judge?
Paano ka naging judge?
Bilang nanay rin, in real life, paano ka mag-judge?
Ang ganda-ganda ng sinabi ni Miss Reg, na-feel ko yun. Ano nga yung tanong?
Paano mo ginagamit yung pagiging mother mo in real life sa pagiging judge dito sa Idol Kids Philippines?
Sa pagiging judge sa Idol Kids Philippines, alam nyo sa totoo lang, kahit before po, medyo nadadalawang isip ako na tumanggap ng trabaho na ganito. Kasi dahil nanggaling ako ng mga singing contest, parang hindi ko kayang magsabi ng no sa mga contestants, lalo ngayon ng mga bata. At syempre, may dalawang anak na rin po ako. Grabe yung preparation na ginawa ko dito. On my own para sa sarili ko kasi medyo maano yung puso ko pag may umiiyak na bata at matanda. So bilang nanay, nahihirapan ako na mag-no, pero dahil sa mga napagdaanan ko before, ang dami ko ring no na natanggap noon. At lahat ng no na yon,
Binabalik mo? Sorry.
Lahat ng no na yun. No pa rin. Joke lang. Ang laking tulong kung nasan man ako ngayon. And, sa lahat ng mga nag-no sa akin noon, tandaan tandaan niyo yung mga araw na no kayo. Kasi ang laking tulong sa akin nun. Medyo mahirap, pero alam ko may purpose kung bakit po ako napunta rito ngayon. And yung lagi kong iniisip sa lahat ng mga batang nag-audition na nakakaharap namin, isa kami sa mga tutulong para mas maabot nila yung mga pangarap nila.
Sundan ko lang yung tanong ni Von kasi ang ganda ng line of questioning na yan. Paano kayo yung words pag kayo nagja-judge sa mga kids? JK, paano yung words? I'm sure dapat extra ingat, di ba?
Tinetext ko na lang sila.
Ako yung magulang
Hindi ko kaya
nakausap.
sabihin. Text mo na lang, sabi.
Hindi ko maraming magulang na galit sa akin kasi ako yung no ng no.
Ay, talaga?
Hindi ba? Hindi. Pero ayun. Sorry na, nakalimutan ko. No, but I feel like the dynamic is really nice. Kasi you have Mama Reg, Ate Angge, who's coming from a more motherly love and approach.
Okay.
Right? And then you have Tito Gary na talagang may touch of seriousness and
Like a father.
Strictness, yeah, like a father. And ako nang parang, kaya yung naipwesto ko sa sarili ko na parang mas kuya approach. So the way I talk to na parang, alam, yung trabaho, ako nga mas kasi, gagawin mo. Kakanta po, ganyan-ganyan. Ano ngayon? May mga konti ganung ano. So, tapos may mga papasok, ano pangarap mo sa buhay? Gusto ko po mag-acting. Maling show sa nagihan mo, ha?
Bini-break mo yung ice para mawala yung nervyos.
Exactly. So parang ano rin sila, parang binabato lang ng biro na parang sila naman, most of them come in na talagang nanginginig, na gano'n-gano'n. Siguro kasi malamig na talaga.
Kasi malamig din
Yung studio.
Sana rin yun. Pero ayun nga, mas more kuya approach yung ginawa ko with the kids.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kuya Gary, the choice of words.
Well, ang advantage kasi bilang hindi lang isang tatay pero bilang isang papi, okay? Because I'm a lolo now. Natutunan ko rin na kausapin ng mga kabataan katulad ng age ng mga nasa Idol Kids Philippines. Yung gagamitin ko ba yung mga salita na how would I say, paano ba yun? Yung bagay dun sa kung saan sila yung hilig nilang gawin maliban sa pagkanta. So for example, mahilig mag-basketball. Kung medyo sumablay, parang ganun yun. Di ba sa basketball, kailangan mag-shoot. Di ba? Kailangan lahat ng pag-winning shot, kailangan pumasok yun.
Kumbaga something that they can understand.
They can understand kasi they can relate, they can associate it dun sa kung ano man ang ibang kanilang ginagawa.
Ganda.
That's how I try to do it. But it's not easy. Because more than being hopefuls, these are children and they're developing. So sometimes when you say no, hindi natin alam kung ano
paano niya tatanggapin yun.
You know? Pero I think na in a way, kailangan din matuto din yung mga kabataan ngayon na minsan when you lose or when somebody says no, mas lalo mong binibigyan ng halaga pag nakatanggap ka ng konting panalo sa buhay.
Right.
When you receive a yes or a win in life, you treasure that. Because you know what it is to lose, then you'll work harder and harder to only get better. And
Doon papasok yung role ng mga magulang.
yeah.
Diba, no?
Yeah.
After, whether they win or not,
Or not.
diba, the parents should continue guiding them.
Yeah.
Alright? Von, second question? Second question pa lang yun, no? Grabe, no? Siksik na.
Susungin ko na yung sinabi ni Sir Gary, connect ko na doon. Sir Gary, being a judge dun sa previous season din ng Idol Philippines na mga adult, gaano ka-challenging on your part ngayon to judge Idol Kids Philippines? Ano may mga, ginawa kayo preparations, adjustment, kasi mga bata?
Yeah, Von, it's different. Kasi the kids today, mas exposed sila ngayon sa kung ano yung pinapatugtog sa social media, all these platforms. So may standard na sila. Diba? Ito yung gusto kong maging. Tapos biglang naapak sila dun sa entablado, biglang no. It's difficult. Nung nagte-taping kami, at least for me, pag uwi ko, o habang pauwi ako, andun ako sa kotse, iniisip ko, ano ba to? How do I continue to play the role that I was meant to play even if they're no longer a part of the show. At may mga ibang instances na nag-usap kami and we decided na, okay, we'll continue to support.
Ay, wow, galing.
Yung mga ganon. Because it's it's not just a show. It's a show with a lot of heart. And I think that's one thing that a lot of people need today. It's a show with a lot of sincerity, authenticity, and heart. And you cannot just come up with a show for kids, but you have to come up with a show that with the kids and bring out the best in them, whether it's a yes or a no. And that takes a lot. It cannot only take one. It takes the 4 judges, including the entire staff, to really be able to bring out the best in all of them. So it's a bit tough, but I'm glad I'm a part of it.
Angge?
And this is not just a show. It's a showcase of talent.
Ilang linggo mong pinag-aralan yun?
Yes, no?
Fourth day na yun.
40. Okay ka, Bon?
Okay na, congratulations po and looking forward to Idol Kids.
I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you